Good morning. This is Miss Vitality. Today is Sunday. You have a good summer day. I just want to let you know that we have a beautiful day right now in Hollywood. Look at up on the hill, all these beautiful houses where all the movie stars live. And I want you to know all the sounds of the birds are all singing different voices. Thank you. You have a good day. God bless you. I love you all over the world. God bless. Bye-bye. Alright, isn't that beautiful? All these beautiful houses up on the hill, and all the birds are here also. I'm waiting for them to sing for me. So please stay up and listen to these beautiful voices of birds that sing different sound. Alright, goodbye. I love you all. So please come and visit me once in a while in my video. Bye-bye. Here's the birds singing. Okay, my dear, I'm glad that you enjoyed this video. So okay, I'll talk to you later again, and please come by and see my video once in a while, okay? Alright, you have a wonderful day. God bless everybody. I love you all.